The bracelet is on the table. I will meet you in the park. She's sitting at the desk. We have a meeting at 3 p.m. The picture is hanging on the wall. They arrived in London yesterday. I saw him in the morning. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. He's living in a nice area. I will be available on Monday. The books are in my bag. They saw each other at the airport. We went on a trip last weekend. I saw the movie at the cinema. She left her phone at home. I love swimming in the summer. I'll see you at the restaurant later. The cake is on the worktop. We went for a walk in the town. The bus will stop at the next station. I will see you in October. The teacher is waiting for us in the classroom. The documents are in the folder. I will call you on Tuesday morning. We are staying in an apartment. The festival is on Saturday evening. I forgot my purse at the cafe. She put the groceries on the table. We went shopping in the shopping centre. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.